everyone, I welcome you all to Focus of the Day session of ANALYST IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about the topic New Attorney General of India. We will discuss this particular news in the following sequence. First, why it is in news, followed by about AGI, that is Attorney General of India, followed by prelims practice question, followed by mains practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about Public Administration, GS 2 and 4 courses of Analyst IAS, which has already started from 26th of September. And we are also holding courses for current affairs. So you can inquire about any of the following course on the given number. And you can also visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar Market. So now let's move on to our topic of discussion and why it is in news. Senior Advocate R. Venkataramani has been appointed as the new Attorney General of India by President Droupadi Murmu for a period of 3 years. Mr. Venkataramani will succeed K.K. Venugopal, whose term comes to an end on September 30. So this particular appointment gives us an opportunity to know in detail about Attorney General of India and its constitutional provision. So now we will discuss about it, and the first topic we will discuss is who is Attorney General of India. Article 76 of the Constitution mentions that he or she is the highest law officer of India. As a chief legal advisor to the Government of India, he advises the Union Government on all legal matters. He is also the primary lawyer representing Union Government in the Supreme Court of India, and the Attorney General, like an Advocate General of a state, is not supposed to be a political appointee in spirit, but this is not the case in practice. Now, who appoints AGI, that is Attorney General of India? Attorney General of India is appointed by the President on the advice of the government. There are various conditions with regard to this appointment. First condition is he should be an Indian citizen. Second condition is he must have either completed 5 years in High Court of any Indian state as a judge or 10 years in High Court as an advocate. Next condition is he may be an eminent jurist in the eye of the President. So these are various conditions for this particular appointment. Now, what is the term of AGI? The Constitution mentions no specific tenure of Attorney General. Similarly, the Constitution also does not mention the procedure and ground of his removal. So, he can be removed by the President at any point of time. He can also quit by submitting his resignation only to the President. This point is very important from UPSC perspective. Since he is appointed by the President on the advice of the Council of Ministers, conventionally he is removed when the council is dissolved or replaced. Now, what are the duties which he performs? In any legal case where the Government of India is related to, the Attorney General has to appear in the Supreme Court on its behalf. He has to represent the Union Government in any reference made by the President to the Supreme Court under Article 143 of the Constitution. And he also appears in the High Court if any case is related to the Government of India. So these are various duties which he has to perform. Along with that, he has various limitations. So these limitations are, he should not advise or hold a brief against the Government of India, as he is the chief or first legal officer of government. So he cannot advise against government. He should not defend accused person in criminal prosecution without the permission of Government of India. And he should not accept appointment as a director in any company or corporation without the permission of Government of India. So in these last two limitations, if he got the permission from Government of India, so he can do it. But this is the limitation. So this is all about AGI. Now let's move on to our prelims practice question. The question says, which one of the following statement regarding the Attorney General of India is correct? Option A is, he holds the office for a term of 5 years. Option B is he holds the office during the pleasure of Council of Minister. Option C is he receives such numeration as the Parliament may determine. Option D is he enjoys all the privileges and immunities that are available to a member of Parliament. So you have to answer correct option and write your answer in comment box. I will explain this particular question in my next session. Now let's discuss our yesterday's question, that is, who was India's first Chief of Defence Staff? This is a very easy question. We all know that option is D, General Bipin Rawat. Now we will discuss our mains practice question. The question says Attorney General is the principal legal advisor and the lawyer of Government of India. Elaborate. So you have already seen this particular video. You can easily answer this particular question in 250 words. Write your answer and send it to us on our WhatsApp number to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Stay tuned and stay updated with Analyst IAS. Thank you.